Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use voiceovers and narrations in VN video editor. So adding voiceover and narrations in VN is super easy, and through this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide. So if you want to record a voiceover, you can just open the VN app first, then create a new project or open an existing one. Here, for example, I'm going to just start a new project. Click on a plus icon and tap on new project. Choose video base, and here you can choose photo or videos. I'm going to just use a video from here. Let's say this one. Tap on next. And now you can just tap on the music icon at the top and choose record or the microphone icon. You can just position the playhead where you want to start the voiceover, and then just tap on the red record button and start speaking. Hi guys, so this is how you can record your voice in VN. So to stop, you can just tap on the red button again and then tap on a check mark to save the voiceover. You can hear the result by playing the video. Hi guys, so this is how you can record your voice in. Okay, you can edit and adjust the voiceover. If you want to trim it, you can just tap on the recorded audio and then use the handles to cut the unnecessary part. For example, I want to cut at the beginning here like this. You can adjust the position again by dragging it down, dragging it just like this. And you can also adjust the volume because if you think that the sound is low, you can just tap on the volume and make it louder by swiping the slider to the right. You can also add some fade in and fade out effect by clicking on fade, and you can adjust or drag along the timeline to sync with your video. And if you want to add effects to your videos, effects to your voiceover, you can add soft music underneath your voiceover. So you can just tap on the plus icon and choose music, and you can also use sound effects like clicks, swooshes, or ambience for a pro feel. If you want to speed up or slow down, you can just click on it and adjust the speed. And so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.